Well, I just rode Splash Mountain, a classic ride since about 1989, but pretty soon Brer Rabbit is moving out and Princess Tiana from The Princess and the Frog is moving in. So I look forward to seeing that and seeing a whole new experience.
Did myself this time. Look at all the happy faces. Season's greetings, everyone.
Such a treat. Maybe something good to eat. Look, we've got ourselves a winner here. It's just coming at you.
Okay, that was my first time doing the Haunted Mansion holiday overlay with The Nightmare Before Christmas. It was pretty spooky and lots of fun, and I hope you get to do it one day.